Hi cops, welcome back to my channel. CPKC Stadium Construction Update. The home of the Kansas City Current Women's Soccer Club. The stadium is located near downtown Kansas City, Mo. On a 7-acre site at the east end of Berkeley Riverfront Park. The 11,500-seat stadium is slated to open at the start of the 2024 National Women's Soccer League (NWSL) season. CPKC Stadium will be the world's first and only sports facility of its kind, purpose-built for an NWSL professional female sports team. CPKC Stadium will be the anchor of the ongoing riverfront development project at Berkeley Riverfront Park undertaken by Port KC. With this stadium, KC Current not only signals its commitment to its athletes and fans, but its commitment to Kansas City. The outdoor gathering space located on the outside of the stadium will be known as CPKC Plaza. The future permanent home of the KC Current store, CPKC Plaza will provide space for fans to gather before the matches and other events.